Welcome back, YouTube family. So you guys wanted me to make a video about how to start your Seamoss business. So I'm going to make a quick video on how you can get started. All right, number one, you are going to want to buy some Seamoss, raw Seamoss, and make your gel. Try to make your gel. If you make the gel and it's okay and you like it and you're good at it, then this is your niche and that's your indication that yes, maybe you can get started with your business. It'll be linked in the description box, but if you don't know where to buy Seamoss from, you can buy a pound from me. I do wholesale. I sell up to 100 pounds. I'll have the link in the description box. Yeah, and I don't recommend buying over 1 pound if you haven't ever made Seamoss gel. You can also watch my videos that I have on how to make infused Seamoss gels. I have one on regular, I have one on hibiscus, and I have one how to make a mango strawberry Seamoss gel. And it's like layered. So if you haven't watched the video on how to make Seamoss gel and you need to know how to make Seamoss gel, you can just go into my videos and watch those. All right. So then once you're good at making your Seamoss gel, then you want to figure out what your business name is going to be. Do not put Seamoss in your business name. You know why? Because you might want to sell other things like me. I sell herbal teas, I sell tinctures, I sell all health related products, and you don't want to be restricted to just selling Seamoss. So do not put Seamoss in your business name. All right, next you want to go and get your logo. You can make your own logo maybe in Canva, or you can go on Fiverr and get it professionally done. Now I started off and I had made my own logo, my first logo, and I didn't really like it, so I decided to pay somebody on Fiverr. You can get one for only about $5 to $10, so it's easy. Just go in there and just look at people's work. Actually, like, look at the stars that they have and how many reviews they have. We are going to talk about, let's see, where can you get your jars? You can get your jars from Michael's, Joann's Fabric Store. They even have them at Dollar Tree online. You can order them and go pick them up. Uline is a really good place to get jars. Target has jars. Yeah, you want to just pretty much get your typical 16-ounce mason jars. You can get 8-ounce, but I recommend starting off with 16 ounces because that's pretty much the typical size that everybody buys. So yeah, you can get your jars from all of those places. If you want to know more and know more places, then you can purchase my business package, which will also come with my Seamoss recipe book. Okay, where do you get your labels from? What kind of labels do you get? So the labels that you get, you want to make sure that they are waterproof, because when people put your Seamoss in the refrigerator, you do not want the label to come off. Like, no, you want everybody to be able to see your label, and you want your label to be able to stay intact. So you're going to get waterproof labels. You can get them from Avery, and you can get them on Amazon also, and Amazon sells a lot of Avery labels also, and I'll put the ones that I use, I'll link them down in the description box. And then where to get your label made. You can get it made on Fiverr, or you can make it yourself. I started off with my own label, and then I switched up my logo, and so then I had Fiverr make my logo, and so now I just kind of, I have my label from Fiverr for my gels, but like pretty much everything else, like, I made myself. I just like screenshot it, download it, and then copy and paste it and stuff like that. But if you guys want to know more about that, it'll be included in my business package, so you can purchase that and it'll be down in the description box. All right, where do you want to network? First off, start off with word of mouth. Let everybody know that you are selling Seamoss. Let them know all the benefits, all the health benefits. Right now is a super good time to start because everybody wants to be healthy. Everybody wants to be fit. Everybody wants to lose weight. Everybody just wants to be their best self so that they can look their best self. So, I would say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Yeah, pretty much all the social media platforms. That's where you want to network, and word of mouth. You know, make sure that you're making your Seamoss good to where people are talking about how good it is. You know, so yeah, and I have more stuff I can tell you, like, you know, how to LLC it and all that stuff. But if you want to know specific exact details on everything, like I'm talking about, I touch on everything in my business package, like how to do your LLC, exactly how to patent your logos and your name, your business name, how to trademark it. I just go into detail, more detail than, you know, right now. Right now, this is just a basic video. But if you want to know more, then you can purchase my business package, and it's going to be linked in the description box. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope that I helped somebody out there, because that's really all I'm here to do, and that's all I really want to do. Yes, I'm making this video in my car because I have not had time to make any videos. So my son is at practice right now, so me and the baby were just chilling in the car waiting for him, and I was like, okay, let me go on here and get this video out because people have been waiting for it. It was requested, and I said I was gonna have it out by the end of the week. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll be doing some giveaways. Like, I'm doing a giveaway for free Seamoss for 3 months. I'm gonna be doing that giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. But I'm also gonna do that in like a couple more months. I think I'm gonna do like a giveaway every 3 months for like maybe like a month free of Seamoss, like maybe like 14 lemonades and like 2 Seamoss gels, 2 16-ounce Seamoss gels. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, share, you know what I'm saying, so that other people can get a chance at winning these prizes and these packages. And then, like I said, I have my recipe book, which is going to be linked down in the description. It tells how to make Seamoss everything, a couple different types of Seamoss gels, the Seamoss cookies, the Seamoss gummies, Seamoss lemonade, Seamoss ice cream, and just so on. It has like so many different recipes and just like bonus recipes that I haven't, and I'm not going to probably share on YouTube until I get my 1,000 subscribers. And then I'll also be coming out with another one on how to do like the beauty products. So if that's something that you guys want to see and you guys want, put it down in the description box. And yeah, so you know, I'm here to help you guys. If there's another video on something that you guys want to know how to do, you know, you can purchase the business package, and it'll have pretty much everything that I know about Seamoss and how to do your Seamoss business, where to do it, how to do it, things that you just need to know, tips and tricks on the Seamoss, in the Seamoss business, and just things that the other competitors and other business owners, the Seamoss businesses, they don't want to share or they don't want you to know. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to give you guys all that information. So like I said, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything is going to be linked in the description box. And you know, I love you guys, and have a healthy and blessed day. I'll see you guys later. I'll be dropping another video soon. Stay tuned. Bye.